Number 1, 𝒊𝒏𝒅.co. Join the Maverick Influencer Index to get discovered by the brands you love, who are looking for influencers just like you. Number 2, tribegroup.co. Do you love to create content? Start this side hustle with no hassles. You can make money promoting the products that you already use and love. Number 3, Trend.io. Trend is one of the leading destinations for creators to produce content for the world's fastest growing brands. Number 4, Collabster.com, the simple way to sell, manage, and get paid for your Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube brand deals. Everything you need to run your business as an influencer and more. You can use these 4 platforms to monetize your social media as an influencer or a micro-influencer.